All right, welcome back. So we are going to go through this screenshot or through the video sharply without wasting much of your time. I welcome all of you. Happy weekend to you guys. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. So there's a post from Madam Azuka Nwankwo about the job. Many of you know her, and I have to say this. She is one of those that like if you ask me, people that I respect so much, that I believe that they're actually somehow very serious, at that early stage. If you know, you know. The way she carried herself and everything was okay to me. I was thinking that she's, in fact, not just that I was thinking, she have my respect until she said to turn around and begin to, I don't know what the problem, to be honest with you, I don't want to go there. But when she resigned, I was surprised. Just like I was surprised when Dr. Agus resigned of recent. But you cannot question them because we are watching from afar. You don't need to ask too much because we need to know our limit. But be it as it may, we just have to respect their opinion. So until this day, honestly, I don't know the details, the reason why she resigned. I don't know the reason why she resigned. I don't know what led to her resignation. But I'm not here for that though. We are not here to talk about it. We are here to go through her post. The reason is because few months ago, some people begin to, say some funny things that somehow that to me is somehow linked to her post. When she resigned, she have not been saying anything about USB, about the movement. She just kept quiet. Whether she was talking, it could be inside, but publicly, nobody paid attention to what she was saying, or nobody noticed any issue from her side. If you do, please let me know because I don't think there's any serious issue. Like she don't get herself involved in day-to-day activity of Biafra movement. She's had to go in, though there was a time she tried to attack PM. But the attack is not that because one thing about our people is that they always want to test your anger or what you can do. Once you show them that this element of craziness, it will reset their brain. I'm not saying that she's crazy. No, what I'm trying to say is that there was a time she wanted to go out and attack PM. I don't know who cautioned her, and she retrieved her step, which is very, very good. But remember, like I told you, Azuka Nwankwo Egbeje Job is one of the people that many Biafran respect. They respect her before she said to, go her way. Now, seeing her comment and her kind of comment getting involved, she's not getting involved somehow in what is going on, not even somehow, for real, she did. And her post said that. So before we go in detail, before we go through this post that I'm talking about, I want you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know your own opinion because some of you may have something to say about Madam Azuka Nwankwo. So what we do here, we bring it to you, then we can share it together. But the only thing I don't want is nobody should insult her. Okay? Don't insult her. If you want to insult her, please, you can do it on your platform. I'm not supporting what she's saying. No. Neither am I supporting what she's representing. Because her post did not go down with me. And Biafrans have actually responded to her on her own platform. And we're going to go through that now. And I will tell you why I faulted her on that, because I felt that it is immaterial. You don't need to go all out and begin to make such utterances. Yeah, it's good to give advice, but this political advice that some of you are giving in the name that you love Biafra, you love freedom, you care about our people, you care about the welfare of our people, is not really the way to go. Like I was saying, like I said before, few people started a few months ago talking about, oh, why are you sharing? Why is it that the COS is sharing Biafran's number in the public? Why is she? Oh, she's working with a bag and a caterpillar and all that. You know who are those? Some people actually decamped from USB simply for that single act, for believing that somehow COS is the problem. So I don't want to waste much of your time. Please just hear this. Now, we are going to, let me zoom this write-up. You are seeing on the screen now. This is her write-up. On X, she said, I raised this concern in 2023, but my warnings were ignored. I implore you to stop supporting individuals who may be working against our interests. Our interests. Our interests after resignation. Why are we utilizing our enemies such as Caterpillar, Sapele, who are known agents of Nigeria, who are known agents of Nigerian terrorists, who are known agents of Nigerian terrorist states to fight against the Biafran army, which has been backbone of our movement? Why the sudden change in the legacy of the man whose names are invoked daily? Whose name we invoke daily? Why sudden exposing it to crucial that we stand up against actions that may destroy our movement and silence our leaders, Madam Kaw. All this is centers to this issue of Caterpillar, Sapele. Oh, you're working with the tobacco. Oh, you is Ngosara Beze is going after our army. Ngosara Beze is working with the DOS. Ngosara Beze is working with the Sapele, is working with the Caterpillar. All these things go back to that. We know those who were shouting about, those who carried that on their head, those who claim that it is true, it is real, and all that. So this could be the source of information. This write-up, this post could be their source of information. It did not end here. She went on by saying this. Wake up, Ndibo. Take heed of this warning, lest you blame yourselves later. Egbeje Jog. This is, you can see it, not me. These are write-up. And people have said, no, look at it when she made the post here. So you don't say, oh, she just said it because March, January, February, March, when the heat was on about Caterpillar, about Sapele, that was when she made this post. She made this post we are seeing here. Then you can see it now. Look at the date. Look at the date here. Okay, you can see it. Fine. March 9, 2025. She made this post. When you go through the post, it looks nice. It sounds like she cares. She really worried about the welfare of her people. She don't want anything to happen to her people, which is good, which is very, very lovely. But is that the real intention? Is that truly the intention of this woman? Your guess is as good as mine, because we know those that were telling you Caterpillar like this, Caterpillar like that, and because of that they begin to raise dogs, because they begin to insult CS. All of a sudden, because of that, CS turned to Fulani woman overnight, and they seem to have something in connection in the past. Remember, these people and this woman somehow have things to do in the past. They have some connection in the past. Do you know that some people that are attacking everybody, attacking USB, attacking CS and all that, they are attacking her not because of anything, but because they are friendly to this, our sister here. And because of that, they want to attack CS because she's not in good time with CS. So she may have her own clique that is doing damages on her behalf. Do you understand what I'm talking about? I don't want to go detail, but let me just talk it shallowly. So those who have ear will hear. So we are going to quickly go to the comment section to see what people said about this particular issue. So, like I said, I don't want to waste much of your time. The first comment is here. Linda, she said, we are waiting. We know the game you are coming out gradually. Our PM with Dr. Nkosara Beze. Okay. Our PM replaced with Dr. Nkosara Beze, you, Gaddafi, and Emeka Livingstone. That she replaced them, she has replaced them. And somehow it is true, but you know, Biafrans, they can go out if you provoke them. And her message seemed to be a kind of in support of Fallback, which many of you can testify to that. United States said this. I believe United States of Biafra said, we are not better than millions of our ancestors who have paid with their lives. Your blackmails cannot deter us. In fact, tell Nigerians to use satellite to do the monitoring. Every evil people pretending to love Biafrans. You can see this a lot of comment though, so many of them. So, but we have to pick it one by one. Influence. Someone said that is in Merrick. Said, if you think you have influence, why just take a lead? Why just take a lead? You can never start your own Biafra, or you can't even start your own Biafra movement. If you make sense, we follow you. Stop constituting nuisance online. You are sacked and gone for good. But why are all you criminals uniting against our solid rock? USB. You are connected the dot, right? It did not end there. Another comment says this. This one is appear in double form. Above said, keep quiet. What is your position? Okay. Called DAO said, I once reserved this very special respect for you, man. But based on your recent tweets and body languages, lately, I am beginning to withhold every damn respect I have for you. Do you understand? When I said don't attack her, I have my reason. Because the reason is not far from what you know. That there's no need to attack someone who devote her time to attract curse or insult from people. Like I said, I respect this woman before very well. But for the fact that I don't know the reason why she resigned, many people have different stories. And I don't think I have time to venture into that now. So that's why I'm trying to skip it and forge ahead. But response from Biafrans are too many. I just pick only 6. Now, another comment says this. Madam, please, you were sacked. So stop bringing words to our great achievements. USB. Stop bringing words to our great achievement. USB. Then another person said, Dalo, Rinne, Ezigbo, Ezigbo Biafra. Are you getting the point? Mazi AG said, whoa. So you waited for Simon Ekpa, that PM, to be absent before attacking. You cannot relate. The problem is not that she's attacking, but those that her attack has influenced. That's my anger. Here is another comment, and this is gonna be the last one. He said, dear sister, you would have been the one headlining these things that's leading, okay? Headlining things in this absence of Odogu Simon Ekpa, But no, I remember when you almost attacked our PM, but thank God you retract your steps on time. That is why I still respect you. You guys should stop creating division. Our lives are in danger. All we need is unity. That is from this person. And like I said, I want to know your own opinion about this. Let me hear from you. What is your take? What is your belief? Do you agree on what people are saying, or you still have a kind of doubt? Let me read your comment and God bless you. See you again. Bye bye for now.